So, hello, once again I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always I'm recording locally and streaming. Today it's on Kick service. Let's check out the stream if it's working properly via my Vivaldi browser. Let's listen to... Yes, voice, everything is working fine, so let's mute it and pause it. And now let's go into the system information via the terminal. So here we are. Rocky Linux 10.2. You can pause the stream basically and take a good look at your own pace, or the video later on my YouTube channel when it will be available. Just pay attention to the screen resolution. It's 1440p, basically 2880 by 1800, running at 120 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming in almost full HD resolution and 30 FPS. Soon you will see the OBS settings, so all the mystery will go away. So with these things out of the way, let us go to the OBS settings. Here we are, settings. As I said, almost full HD resolution, 30 FPS. I'm using 8000 bitrate, hardware encoders FFmpeg AAC for the audio and FFmpeg VAPI H264 for the video. And for the file I'm using MKV. So yeah, let me show you now what is Rocky Linux. Basically, this is very important. This is on DistroWatch. So yeah, Rocky Linux is a community enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It is available for the x86, 64 and AARCH64 processor architectures. And then this is the official website. Enterprise Linux, the community way. Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Rocky Linux is under intensive development by the community. They have plenty of various, if you will, versions like versions of them. As you can see, they have Rocky Linux 10, 9, 8 for various platforms and in various formats. So yeah, currently we are using the 10.2 as we said before, KDE Plasma. And also this is the Rocky Linux wiki. Rocky Linux is a community-driven enterprise Linux distribution, stable enough for the largest enterprise to rely on it, and community-driven to ensure it stays accessible to all. And last but not least, this is the official Rocky Linux Wikipedia website. So yeah, you can read here as well. I'm not going to bother you any longer by reading with my terrible accent. And yeah, basically, as I said, the last, I think it was yesterday and the day before that, I was trying to customize the system, and yes, finally I was able to rise it quite well, I must say, or so I believe to be a nice way. We'll see when we will stress test the system. But for now, I think it's a done deal, so to speak. What I'm talking about, let me remind you. Basically, this is my top panel, which is fine, exactly as I want it to be. The application menu, dock, everything, my wallpapers, and everything goes well. Today, I have also accomplished my wallpaper jumper. So right now, oops, it just jumped now. 1161 image. Basically, I have about 1342 images on my folder. Most of them are like 4K, 5K, 6K, and some of them even bigger resolution. And plenty of them are also, let's just say, about 2K resolution and full HD. and from that folder I'm able to select a number and jump to that wallpaper. So right now, as I said, we are in 1161, so I will go just wallpaper behind, so like this, 1160, boom, and now I'll jump ahead just an image or two, boom, 1162. And as you can see, this is nice and easy, smooth, instant. No matter what you're doing in the system, you can do that via the keybind or via the terminal as you see fit. Anyway, and the other thing, of course, is the cursors. Let me go in the system settings, colors and themes, cursors, and here is my Swedish breeze. It has plenty of sizes up to 8K resolution displays. You will have no problem with this. So as soon as I apply, boom, we are back in business. And this adheres to the apps that you are running at that point in time. And how you do this? Basically via keybind again, or via the terminal. If this is the first time you're running this, you just press the close button or cancel, and it downloads a special folder for you. If you have it downloaded already, you click the folder and then OK. You select the name. I will go with yellow red now. It's one of my favorites. Then I will select this yellow, and then I will go with this red. And in a few seconds the cursor will be ready for use. Boom. I think I've done again the same mistake. It's do not disturb, right? So let me take this away. So most probably now when I will switch to this one, cursors, yellow, red, once again multiple choices for the size, apply, boom, and now it says that it's synced. I will have to fix this message to make it better, but I didn't have the time today. I was almost I have to stream. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, this is it. And also let me show you one more time. I'll do it again now faster. Let's just go with toxic, for example. This is another that I like to demonstrate. Let's just go with this green, and then I don't know, this yellow, boom, and in a few seconds, boom. And then you go ahead and select it again, multiple sizes, boom, just like that. No problem whatsoever. I love it. And now I'll go back to yellow red. And if you have any stubborn apps like Krita, for example, worst case scenario, if it will not adhere to this cursor for whatever reason, you just reload, go restart, and you're fine. But I think I've handled quite well the stubborn apps myself. But as long as you will follow my guide, you will have no troubles yourself either. So yeah, what else? Did I forget anything? And show you my OBS settings, wallpaper jumper, cursor factory. Yeah, I think, did I show you? I don't remember. Let me show you the stubborn apps to theme. I don't recall if I've shown you this one. So as you can see, the rising goes just perfect. So yeah, I think this is it for today. No need to drag this any longer. Most probably tomorrow we'll do a stress test. We'll try to have the system recording and streaming in full 4K resolution, and we'll try to have the game, the MMORPG Final Fantasy XIV running in the native screen resolution 1440p, and all this then we'll while recording and streaming, of course, and then we'll try to keep on loading I don't know, dozen apps or so, and see how the system will handle everything at the same time. Most probably when I try to record and stream in this native screen resolution while playing the game and having the apps, etc., etc., this little system, because it doesn't have a discrete GPU, it's integrated one, it chokes somewhat, but last time it wasn't that bad with the game itself alone. It was like something between 40 FPS, 45, 50, something like that in the City Hub, if I remember correctly. But with the stress test on this Rocky Linux, we will see. Remains to be seen. It has an older kernel, so maybe things will balance themselves. We'll see. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.